Here's a special bowl inspired by Fukuoka, the home of ramen and spicy cod roe. First, slice up some shiso leaves to add a fresh and aromatic kick. Use a spoon to gently scoop out the mantaiko from its casing. Microwave the chicken with a bit of cooking sake, salt, and pepper for 1.5 minutes. Shred some cooked chicken breast into bite-sized pieces. Mix the shredded chicken with spicy red cod roe, sesame oil, and sesame seeds, and you've got the perfect Fukuoka-style topping. Did you know one of Japan's most famous ramen chains, Ichiran, was born in Fukuoka? Now you can enjoy it at home as instant noodles with the same great taste. Top with shiso, spicy red cod roe mix, nori, and secret red powder. And it's done. The rich soup tastes so real you won't believe it's instant. Enjoy this upgraded bowl of Fukuoka-style ramen.